Okay, welcome to the first tutorial from the Facelight Foundation. In this first tutorial we're going to be looking at Microsoft Access and databases. I'm using a virtual server because most of my Office software is on my server. Now, basically we're going to be setting up a quick database to show you how to set it up, how to create a form, and how you can manipulate figures and things like that. So the first thing we're going to look at is setting up the database. So upon opening Microsoft Access, click Blank Database, click the little icon next to the database name, and this is how we choose where we want it to be saved. And I think it just crashed. Yep. There we go, it was back. There we go. So, in our documents, we're going to create a new folder. And because this is our first tutorial, I haven't had a chance to set any folders up yet in our file directories. So, tutorials. MS Access, and I'm just going to save it as let's say shop. Okay, and create. Now the program already knows we need to set a table up first, so all of our information is loaded into the table. And what I always like to do is just save it straight away. Table name, inventory. And then you need to click home and view. Now the drop down arrow will give you a datasheet, pivot table, pivot chart, and design view. We're going to go into design view, which brings up this. Now the ID is an auto number category with the primary index key. This is so the figures don't get quite mixed up. So in my shop I want to know the product name, and by pressing tab it moves me over to the next column, and that's going to be a text. I might want to know the EAN number. This I would like to be a number. And we'll say the price as well. So we'll change that to currency. And I'll save it again. And I will just close the table. Now we're going to create a form. So when you first go onto the Access database, it'll give you a bit of an easier view of the entire database. So I've clicked create. Blank form, and here is my blank form. Again, I would recommend saving it. So we'll say shop entrance, and you can do exactly the same. Go to home, design view. I'll just turn off the grid because it annoys me, and this is our main view of the page. If you click design, you get a variety of tools you can use. I'm going to click label, just click on the page and type shop entrance, and by clicking on it, and you can move around by clicking the outer edges, and I'll save that again. Now it's okay, we've got our shop entrance now.